Welcome to the 2025 Florida RV SuperShow. Today we are here with Steve, and he's going to show us this Keystone.
Absolutely. We are super excited. I've got a brand new floor plan for you. Just launched it just a couple months ago. Super excited. It's called the 360LS. LS, I'm going to let you figure out what it stands for as soon as we get inside. I'm going to leave that as a teaser. But I'm so excited for you guys to be here at the Super Show. This one is just under 41 feet. It's 40 foot, 10 inches long, has multiple slides, tons of outdoor awning space that you guys are used to. All these features from getting from Avalanche. Some new additions in the Avalanche brand edition this year. We did add the strut assisted steps. Last year you still had to lift them yourself. We do offer awning toppers as a factory option now as well. We do on-demand water heaters in Avalanche and so much more. Some other amazing features on the outside. The new upgraded Lippert 6-point hydraulic auto level. Another cool thing we did this year, you guys asked for it, you got it. We hear you all the time. You're talking about putting the awnings and the slides out. You have to be inside, one's outside. You have to have somebody on the inside hitting the controls. You're worried about that tree on the other side. Good news, we now have exterior controls for your slides and awnings, even for your off-door slide out. If you're worried about that tree you're gonna hit, good news. It's right there, you're looking at it, you're hitting the button, no more worries.
Let's go ahead and check out the front here. And here we have solar setup, inverter and such, hydraulic. And over here we have some storage. Oh yeah. Look at all that storage in there, huh? Look at all that. That's just up front here. That's not even the pass-through is pretty big too. Let's go look at the pass-through now. Here's the pass-through. Isn't that huge? Uh-huh. And over here you have your awning switches and slide switches covered. Outlet out here. We got two awnings on this one, as you were seeing with the switches. And there is a ladder here on the back. On this side you have three slides. You have your endless hot water heater, your furnace, and here's your wet bay, your dump for your gray and black tank, slide switches for 1, 2, and 3 on this side, the other side of the pass-through. Here we have storage for the propane. Two big tanks. Very nice, very nice. Coming around here, you have your controller for your stabilizing gear, for your stabilizing jacks.
Alrighty, now we talked about it when we were outside. 366LS. Now that you're in, let's take a peek over there. You can call it the L sofa, the lounge sofa, the large sofa. I don't care what you call it, but this is amazing space.
Yes,
You've got the full size sofa right here. It does flip out, make into a bed. Then you got the wraparound, and these are two recliners right here as well. And here's the cool thing. You're gonna see a lot of folks out there putting L sofas in their floor plans. But what we did to make this one smart, guess what? You don't have to take these apart when you bring the slides in. We measured up, we matched our slides up to fit this just like a puzzle piece right in. So when these two slides come in, this one goes there, the L sofa fits right in the middle. So you don't have to worry about taking this apart, strapping it down, stacking it up, all that extra labor that you might have to do with some of the other brands out there.
Very nice.
Amazing seating. I've heard so many people already talk about there's enough room for square dancing in here. So
Yeah.
it always jokes around. Make sure levelers are down before you go into that. As you continue around, you're going to notice on this side, we do have another sofa. And yes, this does make into a bed as well. And then as you carry on, this is another, you asked for it, you've got it. We've got a lot more people working from the road these days. So now you've got to designate a desk area if you're going to need to do that. And if not, I look at it this way. It's the perfect entry for the buffet line. You set your plates, your napkins, your silverware as we head back into the kitchen. Now look at this. Wide open, but defined space. You definitely know. There's the living, here's the kitchen. No more walking back and forth. Somebody's passing through in front of you. You can see the nice island on the inside with tons of storage. Beautiful new lighting above that got all the accents you're gonna need. And look at this dining room space. I like to say it's even big boy friendly. Somebody like me, no problem. And of course, just like always, this does flip out and extend. So if you need additional space there as well for card night, game night, whatever you've got going on. Carry around over here, look at the size of this pantry.
Wow.
Floor to ceiling. Very deep and even nice furniture grade pull-out drawers down below so you can access everything you like.
Very nice.
And look at this. How many campsites do you have? You got a nice beautiful window out the backside, lots of natural light, solid surface countertops all the way around. And people love this. Got the trash and recycling already built in for you. Trying to think of all those things for you. No worries about the can sitting on the side that the dog always knocks over, right?
Dual trash cans.
Continue into the kitchen, full-size appliances. You got your 30-inch microwave up top, beautiful range down below, even big pots and pans storage.
Okay.
Speaking of storage, by getting the sink out of the island, check out the size of all of these drawers. Look at that big daddy down below.
Oh, wow.
These are full-size, residential size amenities. Absolutely love it. Tons of storage for everybody. Residential Samsung refrigerator, even the ice maker works.
Impressive.
This one, honestly, the 366LS feels bigger than my first apartment. Absolutely amazing.
Yeah, bigger than my first apartment too.
Do you want to take a look at the bedroom?
Sure, let's do that.
Alrighty. All right. All the creature comforts you would expect in a full-time, full-size luxury fifth wheel. You've got the king-size bed. Of course, you've got power outlets on both sides where you've got the USB ports and or the regular traditional outlets. You come around to the full-size closet up here. And of course, you do have washer and dryer hookups if you determine if you need them. Easy there. I always like to point out the storage down below. And check this out, we took the time to finish it. No more particle boards in there. Don't you love when you grab that sweater, you throw it under there, you pick it out, now you're wearing wood chips?
Yep, you don't have to worry about hurting your back either lifting the bed.
Exactly, nice and easy. This is a good spot to point out our air conditioning units as well. This unit is equipped with 3. You've got dual 15s on either end and the fully ducted, and then you have a 13.5 dump AC in the middle, so tons of cool air. But I also love this Coleman Mach. It has the air filtration just like you have in your home. It's a 12-inch by 12-inch by 1-inch thick filter, so if you're worried about pollen, allergies, any of that kind of stuff, you're camping at the racetrack, you're camping out in the desert where it's dusty, good news. You can change this out as often as you like. You can buy those filters at any Lowe's, Menards, Home Depot, so it's not some custom fun part that you got to pay a ton of money for. Nice and simple and easy for you. And then if you want to flip and point to the bathroom, actually, you know, it'll probably work if I have you come in the other door. My apologies. We'll have you do that door, and I'll stand on this side. Because one of the features I love, of course, is the full-size one-piece fiberglass shower. Don't have to worry about that bead of caulk down below wearing out over time. Of course, you got the skylight if you're one of those tall fellas out there. Tons of countertop space over there. 3 drawers down below for storage. Big storage underneath. And a medicine cabinet up and to your left. And of course, a porcelain toilet right here in the corner with tons of space to do what we need to do. But one of my favorite features is the redesign of this linen closet. We redesigned this in the 24 models. It was so popular. Check this out. The entire comes out. You can reach all the way to the back. Don't have to worry about long arming to try to get all the way back in there. Of course, we did already build in. This is your toilet paper roll right here. So see, you've got there. And it feeds right through. And of course, room for extra storage behind. And then, hey, another time, trash can. How many times you get in here and there's no trash can in the bathroom?
Right.
So we try to think of all the creature comforts for you. Like I said many times for you guys before, I know this is my first video at Alpine and Alpine Avalanche Edition. We really try to make this equipped to be for that full-timer, that extended stay camper. Those people that are going to spend a lot more time, they want the creature comforts just like they have at home. And I think we've accomplished that. And I think we got a true home run here in the 366LS. Of course, for more information, they can probably hit a link on your site. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Alrighty, we have it. KeystoneRV.com/Avalanche, and then look up 366LS.
Thanks again for showing us around this RV, Steve.
You betcha. Enjoy.
If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, then please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We appreciate it. To watch more videos like this one, then watch one of these videos.